I'm about to share with you how you can become a millionaire poultry farmer. So welcome back to DIY Agric, your #1 animal scientist and your poultry success partner. You see, one reason you should subscribe to this channel is because I have about 200 videos that talk about how you can succeed as a poultry farmer, and chances are that if you don't click on that subscribe button, YouTube will not let you have access to those videos for free. But if you click that subscribe button, you're going to be telling YouTube that, oh, I want to follow this guy. Another way you can inform YouTube that you want more content like this is by clicking that like or thumbs up button. And finally, if you want to be the first to see my videos when they come up, you want to click that notification bell and tell YouTube, hey, anytime this guy posts new videos, just tell me. So without wasting your time, let's go right into the video. Will it make you a millionaire?
Yes, definitely. Layer farming will definitely make you.
Like Serume, how you can become a millionaire poultry farmer. So I know you would like to see poultry farming as a business that would allow you to grow over time, that will allow you to grow from this stage to that stage and to that stage and just keep growing like that. And like many farmers, you want to start small and then grow. Well, unless you are a multi-millionaire, you may not be able to just start with thousands of birds at a time. You want something that will grow over time. Before we even talk about any aspect of poultry that will allow you to grow, I think we should focus on the factor that will allow you to grow. And before you can grow, you must be making profit in the business. So say you invest $2,000 today, and in a couple of weeks or months, you got a net profit of about, say, $500, $700, however the profit margin may be, and you then reinvest the money into the business, so you'll be able to scale up over time. So that means you need profit to be able to grow in the business. But hold on a second, I'm going somewhere. So this video is not actually for those who will just come and watch, 2 minutes, 3 minutes of the video and leave. It's actually for those who will watch to the end, because the secret to becoming a millionaire farmer is actually scattered all around the timeline through to the end. So from my little knowledge of economics and economic situations, I understand that scarcity is one of the things that help people to be able to sell at good prices. When the commodity is scarce, it is the buyers who are actually running after the product. They want your product, they want the things that you're producing, and you just don't have to run after them. I know that sounds like what you want. So at this point, I want to congratulate every broiler farmer who has been able to map out their own market, and they have customers coming for their product, so that once the birds are reaching 4 weeks, 5 weeks, they are reaching the weight of about 2-point-something kg. Customers are already coming for them and they pack them. Kudos to those guys. They have done a good work in advertising their product and marketing their broilers on time, and they'll be able to keep the business growing. But it's not just the situation for most broiler farmers. Some people are actually hunting for customers. Customers are not forthcoming, and because of this, most times people have to sell at ridiculously low prices, and that means it's eating into their profit. All the profit are gone. So there's almost nothing to return back into the business and allow him to grow and become a millionaire. Am I speaking your mind? But I tell you, the issue of sales is a completely different story for those who are into layer production. That is, those who are selling eggs. They are raising hens that are laying eggs for them, and they are selling the eggs. In this case, customers are always running after these people. Trust me, if you go to 10 farms and you say you want to get their eggs in wholesale, you want to start distributing to people around you, I tell you 9 out of 10 farms will turn down your application because they are already overbooked. That means if you are a chicken farmer and you are raising layers that are producing eggs for you, it means you don't have to worry about marketing. You don't have to market your eggs. Customers just come for the eggs. As a matter of fact, you are under pressure to scale up. You are under pressure to increase the number of birds that you have that are laying for you per time. It's just like all you need to do is to ensure that the birds are laying, and sales is pretty automatic. In the case of the broiler, the farmer spends time catering for the birds, raising them, making sure that they attain good weight in good time, and even after that, middlemen come and they buy at cheap prices and they resell at really high prices, so they make the bulk of the profits. But as a layer farmer, I tell you, you may not even need to know how to sell. All you need to do is just focus on the birds, make sure that they are well, they are healthy, and they are producing maximally, and then you just sell to your customers and the money keeps coming. So you are able to actually bring back the profit and reinvest into the business and grow into a millionaire. So if you're interested in going into layer farming, or you have actually been struggling as a layer farmer, I bring you my long overdue egg production masterclass. That masterclass will teach you everything you need to know about layer farming, how to start from scratch to reaching the point where you are a pro in layer farming. This masterclass is open to only 100 applicants because I'm also giving a lifetime mentorship access. That means from the moment you decide to start, I will mentor you and will ensure that you succeed every step of the way. So you have no worries. All you need to do is just make sure that you have the money to invest into the business, and then I'll hold you by the hand and ensure that you succeed. So it's only open to 100 persons, and I'll be leaving the link in the description below. The masterclass goes for a fee of 35,000 naira or $50, but for those who will be taking action right now, I'm going to be allowing you to have a massive discount, and you'll be able to take the course for 20,000 naira or $35. So right now the masterclass is discounted. If you click the link in the description below, just go there and sign up, and I'm waiting for you in the class. It's going to start on November 3rd and it will run through a week. I tell you, after that 1 week class and coupled with the mentorship, you'll be a pro layer farmer, and you'll be able to both start and also scale up your business and become a millionaire farmer. Like I said, you're going to be learning everything you need to know about layer farming, but some of the things you'll be learning include how to ensure that your hens start to lay big eggs even when they just start laying. Normally layers lay very tiny eggs when you just start, and gradually the egg size increases, but I will teach you how to make them lay big eggs even while they are starting to lay. I'll also show you why and how my clients, my students, have been able to ensure that their hens achieve at least 90% and more in daily production. So that's it. I'll be waiting for you in the masterclass. Don't forget to click that link in the description below and join me in the masterclass. Once again, this is DIY Agric, your #1 animal scientist and your poultry success partner.